quickly, let's look at how to access the last element or the last few elements of a list. For this, we use a trick. It's called negative indices. It's easy enough. Let's learn through examples. Here is my list called temp, which, as we've seen before, has 5 temperatures: 32, 41, 23, 17, and 19. Now you can also say, let's say we don't know how long the list is, but we want the last element. We can simply say temp of square bracket -1. So just give me the last element. So convention for last element is -1, and it will give you just 19. You can even do that for the last but one element. So say temp of -2 will give you last but one. It will skip 19 and give you 17. You can even use this in slicing. So you can say temp of -3 colon will give you the last 3 elements: -3, -2, and -1. So the last 3 elements will get returned. Now let's see this in action in Python. So now for a change, I'm having a grocery list. Let's say I have all these items that I have to buy. But I can say grocery of square bracket -1. What is the last element? It's tomato. What is the last but one element? Grocery of -2. That's milk. You can also say give me the last 4 items. So you can say grocery -4 colon. So go back 4 and give me everything till the end, and it will give you bread, butter, milk, and tomato. That's how negative indexes work in Python lists. Thank you for watching.